these stairs are so scary. I get so easily scared on steps. Hello. Beautiful girls.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh, wow. Look at how stunning this is. This is definitely historic. Ooh. Staircase again. And there's another one, Mom. Ooh. I get so scared. Stairs. Mom, you didn't tell me there were stairs. Well, best way to face my fears is to start moving forward. Look at that. It's just like stunning. And all down the way. All down that way. And that bridge. Oh. Oh, we're going off trail. Okay. It's beautiful. This is amazing. This is just gorgeous. Mom, what? You're on camera. Hi. These would be great memories, huh? Okay. The gins are telling me to go this way. I think that's what they're called. Oof! Okay, that's not what they're called. I'm sorry. Mom, I just got smacked. I just got smacked by one of the tree fays. I just got smacked by a dryad. These guys are out here. Beautiful. This is where I belong. Oh my God, Mom, we should rent a kayak. Yes. Gorgeous. I don't know where they are trying to lead me. They're definitely leading me somewhere. Just hope they don't lead us to a twisted trunk and try to take us somewhere. I know, I'm goofing off. So this is where we're going, okay? Watch your step right there. That's tricky. Right there. I just want to jump in the river and start swimming. For the hell of swimming. But I know it'll be difficult for me to get out of it. Because I'll never want to stop swimming once I get in. Oh, wow. Woo! Hello. I almost fell. Ooh, he's cute.
I'm not warm enough for that shirt. It is just not.
Nothing out here is really screaming at me. It's just nature. It's amazing. You're on camera again. Whoosh! Stunning beauty in the sunlight. She's getting initiated today. This is your initiation walk. Grab whatever feels like it's screaming at you. We'll take it home. Apparently, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find you your first wand. Are you sure? Ooh, so many opportunities out here. So much chance. Let's just not get lost. Yeah, I get lost easy. I mean, if I'm not with anyone else, I'll get lost real hard. Look at that beautiful water. Stunning beauty. It's making my heart palpitate. Making my heart palpitate. Oh no. Well, I'm not showing my face. Oh, it's gorgeous out here. Can do some fishing in this river. Looks like this river's a little bit better than... I cut down a lot of trees out here. It's making me angry.
Some of them have to come down because they're dying anyways. 1,000 other trees for growth.
Yeah. Ugh.
Really?
I really shouldn't smoke. Ever again.
Here we go. Nope. That's the one we just came off of, I think. Go to the bridge.
Let's go to the bridge. To the bridge. Yeah. Oh. I'm so excited right now. I'm just having so much fun. It's just, whoo! I couldn't give two poopies. There's rules? What rules? I don't follow them. Who follows rules anymore? That's so lame. Right, Mom? The smell, Mommy. And look at that beauty. Gorgeous. Stunning. It's absolutely stunning. My God, I've only got 6 minutes recorded and I feel like I need to do more. You're on camera again. It's legal. I can let you know that you're on camera. Now, if I was secretly recording you, that'd be an issue. Then you can sue me. I'm just not recording myself. Nope. I won't put myself on the screen. Nope. I'm not pretty enough. Don't look at me like that. All 4 years of living in Michigan and I've never been here. I missed out. Right, Mom? 4 years of living in Michigan. Not once did I see this beautiful place. And I regret that I didn't.
I've been here before as a kid.
Probably. I wouldn't remember. Want to go down that way, or do you want to go down this way? What do you want
I'm
to do?
not climbing that hill. No, I'm not ready to climb hills yet. We're going to start off walk though.
I felt like I just got pushed. This river, though, I can't get over it. Give me a mermaid tail and I'll fucking jump in that bitch. Ooh, so pretty.
I don't see anybody on the bridge. Why are they walking over it?
I don't know. There's, you know, people by it, people near it. Oof. Okay. So we're gonna try to go across the bridge. What about the trolls? Oh, look at that moss. Oh, wow. Well, judging by the way that these are nailed down, I can kind of tell almost what kind of place this is. It's just so cool. Bridge to Terabithia.
Go ahead.
Ooh. Ooh. It certainly does move, doesn't it? Mom, don't you dare. Girl. But, like. I see you, Mom. There's a fish over there. Hmm?
Oh yeah. He's older than us. Yeah.
Come on through, Mama.
All right, girls, you ready?
Gonna get the perfect picture.
Side over there.
Stay still.
Over there. Thanks for chatting.
Got it.
Wait, where are we going?
Okay.
That way?
No, over to the other side. The
Aw.
that big circle.
What a handsome little puppy. Cute little buddies. Oh, that is the cutest little face ever.
Oh, she's like, come on, love me. 13 weeks. Do you want to pet her? No, not the puppy. Look, the human hand. Hi, nice to meet you. No, not the puppy. You can smell the puppy. I don't know if it'll like you though. My dog is very rambunctious. Like, she scares other dogs sometimes. And she's like, she's such a puppy, so she's just hyper about everything. We walk in the door, she tries to attack us. Nothing.
Got you.
I can tell. I can tell. Oh my goodness. What is she mixed with?
Got it. A good view of that. Woo! Okay. There's a lot of green over there. There's green everywhere. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, 13 minutes of recording. I think we're good.